Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the ant, a little creation you have observed in your life when you were a child, or you can also see the ant in your life. So friends, we can learn a lot from these ants. Friends, first the thing is that you will observe that they are always in hurry. If you try to block their pathway, if you try to stop them, they will not stop. They will find another way in their life. They are always in a hurry, they are in queue in a sequence, and they are always in a hurry and they always do the work. So this is the thing that friends we can learn from them, from this small little creation, that we should also be in our hurry. The time is passing on, the clock is passing, so we should take the advantage of the time, and we should do the things. We should not ignore and we should not waste the time in our life. If you try to stop them, they will find another way. So you should also be like them. If someone is trying to stop you, block your way, you should find another way and you should escape